Why your listings aren't getting views in South Florida, even in this market. Your listing has ocean views, perfect pricing, and you're posting every week, but crickets, no clicks, no leads. So what's going wrong? Pain point 1. You're posting generic content. Most South Florida agents post the same generic templates. A just listed Canva flyer, copied reels from another agent, or an overused script that doesn't reflect your brand or your voice. Pain point 2, no local relevance. You're talking real estate, but not talking South Florida. Buyers here want to know, is it in a flood zone? How much is the HOA? What's the hurricane insurance look like? When your content skips those questions, buyers skip your listings. Pain point 3, you're doing it all yourself. You're not a content creator, you're a closer. But you're spending hours editing reels, resizing stories, cutting YouTube shorts, and praying the algorithm notices. At Brand Locally, we don't just edit your content, we turn your listings into a full content ecosystem. Everything is customized for Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. Your message stays the same, but the format fits the feed. If you're in South Florida and your content looks fine, but you're not getting calls, it's not the market, it's the messaging. Tap the link in the description or comment So Flo content to get your first week of video content mapped out. We'll build your brand while you close your next deal. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others. Stay tuned for more updates. Bye-bye.